Good morning, children. Welcome to your social studies class. In today's social studies class, we are going to start a new chapter. The name of the new chapter is Plants Around Us. Plants around us. So today we are going to talk about plants. Now children, when we look around, what can we see? We can see houses, roads, cars, other human beings, animals and trees. Trees or plants are very important for us. They are our best friends. Now children, when we see a plant, it can be short and small in height. But there are some trees which are very tall and strong. So we can find different types of plants around us. Some plants are small and some plants are tall and strong. But they are all very useful for us. So we need to take care of them. Now children, we will talk about two types of plants and trees. The small plants are called plant and the tall and strong plants are called tree. So we will talk about two types of plants. The one that is small, the one that is tall and strong, that is called the tree. Now children, look at the whiteboard. This is an example of plant. This is small in height and this is not very strong. It is more or less very weak. Now the example of plants are rose, sunflower, etc. Have you seen any plants around you? Then you can find the different parts of it. Look at the picture carefully. This is the picture of plant. Now children, the first part is flower. This is the flowers. The next part is leaf. This is the leaves. And the third part is the stem, the main body, that is the stem. This is the stem. And the part of plant that is hiding beneath the soil is called the root. This is under the soil. This is called root. So the different parts of plants are flowers, leaves, stem, root. And the example of plant are rose, sunflower. Now let us look at the tree. This is the tree. Tree is comparatively very tall and strong than the plant. This is the tree. This is tall and strong. Example of tree are peepul, mango, ashoka, neem. I have forgotten to write the name neem. Neem is also a tree. Now we will look at the different parts of tree. As usual, the part that is below the level of soil is called root. This is the root. This is behind the layer of soil. Now this is the strong part of the tree that is called the trunk. Trunk of the tree. Next we have branches. Then we have branches. And lastly, we have leaves. So the parts of tree are leaves, branches, trunk, root. These are the four parts of a tree. Trees are taller and stronger than plants. So these are the two types that we were talking about. This is plant, this is tree. I hope you have understood the difference. Now children, trees need three important things to survive. What are they? They are first the sunlight, then the tree needs air, and lastly it needs water. Sunlight, air, water. These are the three things that the tree needs. So we need to water the plants frequently. Now children, do you know another interesting thing? That is, the plants or trees, all green trees, can make their own food inside their own body. They have their kitchen in the leaves. The leaves, the green leaves, are the kitchen of the tree or plant. So trees or plants can make their own food in their own body. This is really very important. And now we are going to discuss the importance of plants in our lives. The first thing is this gives us oxygen. Oxygen. What is oxygen? Oxygen is a type of gas that we inhale. So oxygen is very important for us. If we don't get oxygen, then we would die. So who gives us oxygen? Plants or trees. They give us oxygen. Next, gives us fruits and flowers. Trees can make their own food and they store that food in the form of fruit. So whenever we are eating the fruit, that is the food that the tree has made in its own body and has stored in the fruit. We get the fruit and we eat that and we get energy. So trees give us fruit and also flowers. The next point is that gives shade. Trees gives us shade. In the days of summer, when the sun is very scorching, then we can get cool shade under trees. So trees also give us shade. And lastly, it's home to birds, insects, animals. In ancient time, people also lived on tree. But nowadays, we do not live on trees. But who live on trees? Different birds, different animals, some insects. They live on tree. So tree is also the home to many animals, birds and insects. So these are few points which are the importance of trees. Now children, you can already understand how much important trees are. So we should protect them. We should not cut trees. We should give trees water. And whenever you are seeing some tree is being cut, then immediately plant another tree. We should plant more and more trees so that we can live peacefully on earth. If we don't have trees, we will not survive. So we should take care of trees. This is all about plants around us. I hope you have understood today's class. I will meet you in my next class. Till then, take care.